Check this out. I've been living here for a very long time. I've never heard birds sing like this ever in the 6 years that I've been here. You can see families are with each other. You see fathers playing with their kids, people are jogging. This is good for us. This is good for humanity. Now, that doesn't mean that I am not sad for the people that are suffering and dying. You know, what's happening in Italy is really bad. My fiance is Italian, and it's a very, very troubling and scary thing to think about. You know, when your people are just becoming sick and dying, and it's not just in Italy, it's everywhere. It's very sad, but when you look at the collective, this is actually a good thing for us. This is a very good thing for us. We are evolving, we are correcting. The universe is correcting us. It is restoring balance. That is evolution. And evolution works in a way where it works for the good of the collective. That's how it works. We are the people that judge it as good or bad. So, if we don't evolve from this, the universe is going to correct us again. Nature is going to correct us again. So, we must take something from this. After this is over, we must be, we are reminded how to be with each other, kind, humane, generous. And we need to treat animals and nature much better than before. Much better than before. We have been abusing our planet. But the thing is, the planet will always correct. We talk about global warming, we're hurting the earth. Nope. The earth doesn't get hurt. It will correct. It will kill us and then correct and restore balance. So, this is actually good for us. So I'm very thankful for what's going on, because this is good for the whole of humanity. Let's take something out of this and let's push humanity forward.